Immerse yourself in the profound insights offered by Father Chuck Belmonte as he delves into daily reflections on various gospel passages from the Bible.
Listening and then acting. Hello, good morning. Today Joane, a cloistered nun, will take us to the Lord with her simple adventure. Have a happy day. After breakfast, I picked up what was left over, milk, coffee. We went to the choir to pray, and I realized that not all of us had eaten breakfast. One sister was missing. I began to think that maybe she couldn't find what she needed, since she doesn't do the cooking. I should have left things within her reach. This thought lingered in my mind until I finally decided to go out to fix it. When I got to the kitchen, she was already there. She told me about her odyssey with the milk. She didn't realize it was still hot. She put it in the microwave and it came out all over, having to remove the tray and wash it. I returned to the chapel and thought, if only I had arrived earlier. But I felt that the Lord was telling me, if you had listened to me before. It was a small detail, without any apparent relevance, but it was not by chance that the Lord put this sister's breakfast in my heart. How does the Lord speak? He speaks to us through small, seemingly irrelevant and simple details. With them, He generates more sensitivity in our love for the others and widens the heart. A small gesture made with love can make a difference. Christ invites you to live your life in fullness from the perspective of love. Try to leave His seal on everything you do by taking one more step ahead for the others. This step will fill your soul with joy and arises from what He puts in your heart. Giving up your seat, helping with something, fixing this, smiling. They are small details that take you out of yourself, and if you welcome them, will make you experience a deep joy. Today, the challenge of love is that you experience the joy of listening to Him and responding to Him. Ask the Lord to be attentive to what He puts in your heart and respond to every detail. Enter into the dimension of love, and by being attentive, you will discover that throughout the day, in many instances, He speaks strongly to your heart in small, ordinary things on a daily basis.
I would be delighted to extend an invitation to you once again tomorrow for another insightful reflection on the Gospel by Father Belmonte.